non-smoking area far from classroom, office, and student activity center. This rule should be supported by awareness campaigns, poster, or counseling session that education students about the danger of smoking. In this way, the universities can promote and culture of health and care for one another. In my solution, I strongly discourage with smoking in the campus environment is not only harm the smoker but also affect the other and includes the source as education people. Students should be able to control their behavior and set a good example. A smoke-free campus will create a more comfortable, healthy, and productive learning environment for everyone. That's all my opinion about smoking in the campus environment. Thank you. Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain about simple present tense. We will learn how to use it correctly and our daily English. Let's get started. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense is used to talk about daily activities, habits, general thoughts, and facts. We use it when we talk about things that happen regularly or always do. Formula affirmative form. The formula for positive or affirmative sense is subject plus verb 1 plus object. For example, I play football or she studies English. Remember for he, she, it, we usually ask or he ask the verb. Formula negative form. In negative sentence, we do not or does not before the verb. The formula is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. For example, I do not play football or she does not study English. Formula interrogative form. To make question, we move do or does to the form. The formula is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. For example, do you play football or does she study English? When to use do and does. We use do with I, you, they, and does with he, she, it. For example, do they like pizza and does he work here? Don't forget, after does, the verb stays in the best form. Verb plus for he, she, it. When the subject he, she, it or it, we must as or es to the verb. For example, he plays football, she watches the or it rains every day. Spelling rules. There are some spelling change when adding s or es. Go becomes goes, do becomes does, study becomes study, which becomes witches, and fly becomes flies. So pay attention to how verb change with her, she, it. Time experience. In simple present, we often use time experience like every day, always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. Days for so how often something happens. Example of daily routines. Here are some examples of daily routines. I wake up at 6 p.m. She eats breakfast. We go to school. They study English. He sleep and 10 p.m. All these actions happen regularly. Past and generator. The simple present tense is also used for past and generator truths. For example, the sun rises in the 8 water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, cats like milk, the earth orbits the sun. Habits and rutinitas. We also use phrase present to describe habits. For example, I brush my teeth twice a day. She drinks coffee every morning. They play badminton on weekends. Negative sentence phrase. Let's look at some example of negative sentence. I don't eat rice. He doesn't like fish. They don't watch TV. Remember often or done doesn't. We use the become from the interrogative sentence practice. Now let's practice making questions. Do you study English? Does he work here? Do they live in Jakarta? In question, do or does come first followed by the object? Short answer. When someone asks a question with do or does, we can answer shortly. Do you like apples? Yes, I do, or not, I don't. Does she study English? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Short answer make your space more natural. Common mistake. Be careful with common mistake. Many learners say she play football, but the correct sentence is says is he plays football, or they say he don't like coffee. Incorrect on in he don't like coffee. Practice essence one. Less practice fill in the blanks. C titik titik go to school every day. They titik titik not like vegetables. Titik titik you titik titik study English. He titik titik watch TV at night. Practice experience two cast the character from. He eat or eats bread. The plays or play football. Does he like or likes cat? I don't or doesn't work on Sunday. Summary. To summarize, we ask people present for habits, faith, and readiness. And S or ES for he, see it. Use do or does for negative and question. And don't forget time experience like always, usually, or never. Thank you for listening to my presentation about the simple present tense. I hope you understand how to use in your daily life.